Hello everyone, welcome again. I wasn't around for a while because I was in a cybersecurity camp. It was really a camp. I was in another city and it's definitely worth it. Anyway, let's continue with our SOC level 2 program. Today it's time to solve Splunk dashboard and reports. As always, I will solve the practical questions and I will just read the answers, the questions that you can easily find from the text. Let's begin. Here we don't need any answer, as always. Here we have some questions. Which search term will show us results from all indices in Splunk? To solve this question, this answer will be enough, guys. If you want to see all indexes, all logs, you have to type index is equal this wildcard. Okay. Task 3. Here we have some operations. To do that, let's go to this URL. Let's open our browser. If you type HTTP, it doesn't work. At least it doesn't work with me. But if you type HTTPS, then you can go to the our Splunk. It's probably because of the protocols. Here, let's make a quick summary. Two reports in Splunk, we can just click on search, and here, as you can see, we have a report button. Let's click on it. Here we have some reports. Here they are their titles, actions, and here we can edit our reports from here. There are owner column here. It says nobody owns these reports, but these reports, which is network server, belongs to the admin, which is us. And sharing, it says they are all app except network server. Let's click on it. I've created it before, I think. Yes, it was my report. Let's come back and go back to the TryHackMe. Here we will create a VPN users report with this command. Let's come to the search and type here our host. Let's check first our logs. Actually, you can't see anything because it is last 24 hours. To see all logs, you can just click on all time here, and now we have some logs. Here we have selected files, which is host, source type, and status code. And oh my god, sorry, let's make it silent. Okay. And now when we click on host, we can see we have three values. One of them is network server, web server, and VPN server. And we have some source type, and we have some status code, which is it's going to be a question for next tasks. Anyway, to create a report as we wish, let's check it. Okay, we will sort a VPN server and stats count by port, right? Does it like, no, sorry, username. Is there something wrong here? Stats count by, Yes, something has to be wrong here. What is wrong here? Oh, this sign. Okay, now I have 86 events, and they are the related column here is username. And to create this report, you can come here, save as, and click on report. Title, let's say VPN users. Description, it's optional, guys. Here we have content statistic table, and here we have a feature which is time range picker. Okay, and just click on save, and you can click on view and see the VPN users report. As you can see, it is a report now. To check VPN users exist or not, you can come to reports and you can see it here. As you can see, the owner is us, which is admin, and sharing private. Okay, we can change it, we can edit it. When we come here, we can delete our report or edit permissions, okay, or edit description or clone. We can clone it too. Okay, it's good. Okay, now we have some question. Create a report from the network server logs host that lists the reports used in network connections and their count. What is the highest number of times any port is used in network connections? To solve this question, just come to the search and type here. Our host will be network server. Okay, network server, and stats count by port and sort them. There is a hint here. Stats count by port in descending order. To sort in descending order, you can just type sort and minus count. If we don't add minus here, it will be sorted in ascending order, but when we add minus here, it will be sorted in descending order. Okay, let's click on enter. Here we don't see any logs. Why? It is because of our time range. Let's come here and click all the time, and now you can see the related outputs here. Let's create a report. Let's make it network server, and that's all. And when we come here, as you can see, what was the question? Create a report. What is the highest number of times any port is used in network connections? The answer is 5. Okay, and there are 4 ports with the value of count 5. There is another way to sort in descending or ascending order. Let's come back to the search and click on search history, and we did it last time. Let's do it. We can delete it. Okay, if we don't want to create a report, if we just want to see the answers, okay, let's make it all time. You can do it like that, and when this screen come to you like that, you can sort the values or sort the outputs from here or here. You can sort by count, or you can sort by port. Okay, let's sort by count again. As you can see, when I sort by count, the answer is still the same. Okay, 5 5 5 5, and the answer is 5. Okay, while creating reports, which option do we need to enable to get to choose the time range of the report? We did it too many times. The answer is time range picker. Let's move on. Here we will create some dashboards. Okay, let's first create our example within TryHackMe. To do that, okay, I think you can see the dashboard button anywhere, okay, from anywhere. Just click on it and create a new dashboard. VPN users, okay, let's type it like that. Optional VPN users, it's optional, no need to write it. Permissions private or shared in app, it will be shared in app, it's up to you, but we will do it like that. How do you want to build your dashboard? The answer is classic dashboard, okay, just click on it and create. Now it's time to add panel, because we actually create a frame, okay, but now we have to do more. To do that, add panel, new from report, okay, because when you click on there or here, you can see some things, but we will use our reports to create a dashboard. First, we created a report with TryHackMe, which is VPN users. Just click on it and click on add to dashboard. When you do it, you can see our reports now ready to our report VPN users is now ready to become a dashboard. To do that, come here and select visualization and select whatever you want, okay, and as you can see, our report became a dashboard, a visual thing, okay. Let's move on with our question. You now learned how to create a dashboard, and now you can create a dashboard with new questions. Create a dashboard from the web server logs that show the status code in a line chart. Which status code was observed for the least number of times? Come to search, leave the page, and then the host will be network server, and the related target is port. So it will be better if we sort by port, okay. And to do that, come here and stats count by port. As you can see, we have 0 event again. To see all the events, you have to click on all the time. And now we have some outputs, and to create a dashboard we have to first create a report about it, and title will be network server, and then time range picker, okay. Let's click on save. Unable to create, okay. A safe search with, okay. Let's add a one here, create and view, and now our report is ready. And so we can go to the dashboard and you can create a new dashboard, and it will be network server ports, let's say. Optional permissions, let's make it shared in app, and our dashboard option will be classic dashboard. And now create. We have nothing. If we want to have something, click on add panel, new from report, and the related report will be network server 1 and add to dashboard, and they are ready. But still we don't have a visual screen, we don't have a visual output again or dashboard. And to do that, come here, select visualization, and the question asking for a line chart. So come to line chart, and now okay, there's a problem here. These results may be truncated. This visualization is configured. There is something wrong with that, and let's click on cancel. Probably I did a mistake while I creating our report. Reports, let's say, or come to search again. Our host will be network. Server, and it will be sorted by port. Let's count by port all the time. Okay, just wait a create a dashboard from the web server. Oh my god, I used a network server. The host has to be the web server, guys. Sorry. Now I can create a dashboard from the web server logs. Shows the status code light. Oh my god, our target is here. Status code. I'm so sorry, guys. Now they are ready. Okay, anyway, let's click on save as. Our title will be web server 1. Save, view, and then let's go to the dashboard. Create a dashboard. Web server 1, 2, 3. Optional, private, shared, in-app, classic dashboard. Create, and now we will have to add panel, new from report. It is going to be, where is it? Show more. Okay, web server -1. Okay, add to dashboard, and now I have to choose a graphic type, and it will be line chart. And now, as you can see, it is ready. It's done. So sorry for my mistakes, but if we do mistakes, we can learn better. Okay, no problem about it, but still forgive me. Anyway, the question was asking about which status code was observed for the least number of times, and to see that, we can see it seems 400, and you can check it like that. Yes, now I'm sure it is 400. Okay, what is the name of the traditional Splunk dashboard builder? It's classic. We saw it so many times, and we choose it every time we saw it. Okay, and actually I can show it to you again, but no need to. You see it, you can see it from here. Let's come here, and as you can see, classic dashboard. Okay, it was talking about it. The question was talking about this one, classic dashboard. Here actually they are all not a practical question, so you can find answer from text easily when you read it, and so I will just give them to you. What feature can we use to make Splunk take some actions on our behalf? It's trigger action. Which alert type will trigger the instant an event occurs? It's real time. And which option, when enabled, will only send a single alert in the specified time even if the trigger conditions reoccur? And the answer is throttle. And conclusion, here we don't need any answer. Again, thanks for watching. I hope it will be helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need your support, guys. That's all. Take care of yourselves. I wish all of you a nice day.